Hello little ones, today we're going to learn a sound in Afrikaans, B. In English we also say B. Now repeat the sound after me. B, 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 B vir bal. Now repeat after me. Bal. Bal means a ball in English. Now repeat after me. B, B, bal. B, B, bal. Ek het 'n bal. I have a ball. B vir bed. 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 In English, bed means a bed. Now repeat after me. B, B, bed. B, B, bed. Maats, ek slaap in my bed. I sleep in my bed. Now repeat after me. Blom. Blom. A blom is a flower in English. Now repeat after me. B, B, blom. B, B, blom. Die blom is rooi. The flower is red. Baie mooi maatjies. Kom ons lees die woorde wat ons geleer het. Let us read the words that we have learned. Bal. Bed. Blom. Baie mooi maats, well done everybody. Ek gaan nou vir jou 'n paar letters van die alfabet wys. I'm going to show you a few letters of the alphabet. En jy gaan vir my net die B klankie wys. You are only going to show the sound that you've learned, B. Are you ready? Let us see if you can find this sound. B. What I want you to do is you're going to point with your left arm if it's on the left and with your right arm if it is on the right. Here we go. Ja, B. Now let us see if you can find the next B. I'm going to go faster now. Mooi so, maats. Waar is die B? Well done. Jy's reg. See if you can find the B. Well done. Kyk, waar is die B? Jy's reg, yes. Waar is die B? Hier is die B. Well done, little ones. Yes. Well done, little ones. You were amazing. Thank you for learning so well and thank you for doing the video with me. Baie dankie, maats. Julle is baie slim, hoor. Volgende keer gaan ons nog Afrikaans leer. Please remember to like, share and subscribe to my video. Until next time, please take care. Listen to Mommy and Daddy and your teacher. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Bye.